Amici di Calcio Napoli 24, siamo qui con Lee Chookgoolee, amico coreano, anche lui che ci saluta, venuto direttamente da Seul per la sua passione per Maradona, ma adesso ci facciamo raccontare tutto, non solo per Maradona, ma anche per il Napoli. Lee, are you here from Seoul to Napoli for your passion and your love for Maradona, no?
First of all, I love football and I admired and I respect Maradona when I was so young. So I admired Argentina and Italy. So I wanna I wanna visit Maradona Stadium. 3 years ago, I stay in Argentina for play football.
For how many months?
1 years and yeah, 1 years and I live 1 year live there, play football 6 months for to be a football player.
So you move to Argentina just for your love for Maradona and for
Yeah,
football, no?
yeah, yeah. Yeah, I like the Argentina football and I love the Maradona. So when I was so young, I played the game always pick the team Argentina or Napoli. So because I love the Maradona, so I wanna be a football player like Maradona, but I have no talented enough. Yeah.
Also because it's just a little bit impossible to be like
Yeah,
Maradona.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's impossible. Yeah, but I wanna play at Argentina, and because he he lo- the city he loved Napoli and Buenos Aires. I love him. So I wanna feel something about Maradona.
And in fact, we see your Boca Juniors and Napoli shirts, so we can say that you are a mixture between Napoli and Boca Juniors, no?
Yeah, I love the Napoli and Boca Juniors. I think same. Yeah, yeah.
And in Buenos Aires, you lived here, you lived there,
Yeah.
and which is your opinion about Buenos Aires and Napoli? Are similar cities?
Very similar. So similar. So I surprised when I came to here. I lived at Buenos Aires 1 year, so I walk around every way in the Buenos Aires. So I think this is very similar, but different thing is the very many upside hill here, but Buenos Aires just flat. Yeah, that is different.
You also will be at the Maradona Stadium for Napoli-Roma,
Yeah, yeah,
the big match
yeah,
of Serie A
yeah.
football match. What are your emotions, your feelings about see for the first time a match in the Diego Armando Maradona Stadium? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited. First of when I buying the ticket to Napoli, I have a plan to just visit the Maradona Stadium. But after that, I find the game Napoli versus Roma, and the Korean players in there, Kim. So I really expect the game. Yeah.
And about Kim, what is your opinion about Kim? You also said to me that you saw him
Yeah, yeah, saw him in Korea.
5 years ago, and in the Jeonbuk Hyundai team. So, what is your opinion about Kim, and what is the opinion of the Korean people of Napoli and Kim in Napoli?
I saw him 5 years ago with my father, and my father is a head coach in was head coach in football. Yeah, so he said to me, the Kim will be a best player in the Korea defender. So okay, I see, and I said he was so young. He is a youngest player in the Jeonbuk Hyundai, but he played like uh, big one, yeah, veteran. Yeah, so I surprised he play. So I expect sometimes he go to the Europe team, and okay. So nowadays Korean people uh, uh, watch the game, Napoli game. Many fans watch the game. So they say they are really good player, and here in Korean, the coach names Spaghetti. Yeah, yeah.
Praticamente lì ci sta dicendo che in Corea chiamano spalletti spaghetti. Can you say another time this?
Yeah, he Korean fans
Con spalletti.
yeah call spaghetti call spaghetti, and please Kim just do not make injury and do not make some the basic every game play the Kim, so one just sorry just
They want the Kim rest.
yeah rest.
Yes.
Yeah, they want Kim rest because every game he played. But I understand because we Napoli won a Scudetto. So every game is important. Yeah, I understand.
According to you, Napoli will win Scudetto?
Maybe the AI predict the game. Napoli wins 88%. AI is correct, and Juventus 5-1, Napoli 5, Juventus 1, and every game is better. Maybe Napoli win the Scudetto. I want. Yeah, I wish.
Can you show for the last time the Napoli shirt? Uh,
Yeah.
and also a Forza Napoli in Korean. Come on, Napoli.
Forza Napoli in Korea?
Yes.
Fighting Napoli. Yes.
It's English.
It's um.
You are talking too much in English.
Yeah. No. I found some Korean words good. Good words. 이기자 나폴리. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Lee. And now we continue our journey with Diego Armando Maradona murales. Thank you very much, Lee.
Thank you. Thank you very much.